Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following complex algebraic fractions using the LCD method. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we have 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared, all divided by 1 over y plus 1 over x. Using the LCD method, or the lowest common denominator, the lowest common denominator is x squared, y squared. Note that your LCD must be a multiple of all the denominators shown. That is, all the denominators must be a factor of your LCD. To simplify, I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the LCD. So we have 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared. That's our numerator. Multiplying our LCD, that's x squared, y squared. I'm going to do the same thing for the denominator. That's 1 over y plus 1 over x. Multiplying the LCD, x squared, y squared. What this means is the LCD, x squared, y squared, is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. So we have that as, at the top, 1 over x squared, multiplying x squared, y squared, minus 1 over y squared, multiplying x squared, y squared. I'm going to do the same for the denominator. I have 1 over y multiplying x squared, y squared, plus 1 over x multiplying x squared, y squared. The next step, I'm going to simplify. On the first bracket, I have x squared divided by x squared, that's 1. I have y squared dividing y squared, that's 1. I have y dividing y squared, you cancel the squared, that's applying the laws of exponent, and also x in x squared, that's x1. What we have is, in the first bracket, we are left with y squared minus, in the second bracket, we have x squared left. For our denominator, we have x squared y plus xy squared. Still in the process of simplifying, if you observe, the term at the top of our numerator, that's difference of 2 squares, factorizing, that will give us y plus x and y minus x. And for our denominator, taking out the common factor, which is xy, we are left with x plus y. Simplifying further, we have x plus y dividing y plus x at the top. Our final answer will be y minus x for our numerator, and at the bottom we have xy. So we've been able to simplify 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared, all divided by 1 over y plus 1 over x. Let's look at the second example. For the second example, we have root b over 1 minus 1 over root b, all divided by root b over 1 plus 1 over root b. Starting with the lowest common denominator, or the LCD. The LCD is going to be root b. Note that all the denominators in the expression are factors of the LCD. Going ahead, we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the LCD. We have root b over 1 minus 1 over root b being multiplied by the LCD. That's root b, whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. So we have root b over 1 plus 1 over root b multiplying the LCD root b. Expanding the root b, the LCD is going to multiply all the terms in the bracket. So we have root b over 1 times root b. We are done with the first term. We go to the second term. Always take note of your signs. We have 1 over root b times root b divided by, we do the same thing at the bottom, root b over 1 times root b plus 1 over root b times root b. Simplifying, we know that square root of x times square root of x will give us x, and we got that from applying the laws of exponent. Root of x is the same thing as x to the power of half times x to the power of half. Because the base are the same, what we do is we add the powers. That's half plus half, and that will give us x to the power of 1. So therefore, going back to the expansion, we have root b times root b, that will give us b, minus, we have root b dividing root b here. We also have, for the denominator, root b dividing root b. So we have minus 1 over root b times b, that's b plus 1. And that's our answer. Let's look at the next example. Similar to the previous example, we're going to start with our lowest common denominator, or our LCD. And in this case, that's root k. Note that all the factors, all the denominator are factors of the LCD. So multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by LCD, we have 2 over root k minus root k over 1 multiplied by the LCD, root k. Whatever you do at the top, you do at the bottom. We have root k over 1 plus 1 over root k multiplying root k. Simplifying by expanding, we're going to multiply all the terms at the top and at the bottom by our root k. We have 2 over root k multiplying root k, close bracket, minus root k over 1 multiplying root k. For our denominator, we have the same, root k over 1 multiplying root k, close bracket, plus 1 over root k multiplying root k. To simplify, we have root k divided by root k. We also have root k dividing root k. Note that root k times root k will give us k. So therefore, this becomes 2 minus k divided by k, root k times root k, that's k plus 1. Let's look at the last example. In the last example, we have a 2 over a squared minus 4 over b squared, all divided by 4 over b plus 6 over a. Starting with our lowest common denominator, or LCD, that will be a squared b squared. Multiplying all the terms by the LCD, for our denominator and numerator, we have 2 over a squared minus 4 over b squared. Multiplying the LCD, a squared b squared. For the denominator, we do the same, 4 over b plus 6 over a, multiplying the LCD, a squared b squared. Expanding, we have that as a over, I'm going to change that, is 2 over a squared, multiplying the LCD. What I'm doing is I'm simplifying by multiplying all the terms in the bracket by the LCD. or expanding, we have 4 over b squared times a squared, b squared, close bracket. For our denominator, we have 4 over b multiplying the LCD, a squared, b squared, close bracket, plus we have 6 over a multiplying the LCD, a squared, b squared. The next step is to simplify. We have a squared divided by a squared, that's 1. B squared divided by b squared, that's 1. We have a b squared dividing b, that 2 goes off, and a on the other side. What we have left is, in the first bracket, we have 2b squared minus, for the second bracket, 4a squared divided by, for bottom, 4a squared b plus 6ab squared. Looking for common factors at the top and at the bottom, I'm going to take out my 2 at the top as a common factor. I'm left with b squared minus 2a squared divided by, I'm going to take out the common factor 2 at the bottom also. I'm left with 2a squared b plus 3ab squared, close bracket. The 2 dividing 2, that goes out, and our final answer is, we have b squared minus 2a squared divided by 2a squared b plus 3ab squared. Thanks for watching. Bye.